Understanding Euler's method, a simple guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a mathematical concept called Euler's method. This method is a fundamental part of understanding how to solve certain types of mathematical problems, specifically those involving differential equations. Don't worry if this sounds complex. We'll break it down step by step. Euler's method is a numerical technique used for finding approximate solutions to differential equations. It's named after Leonhard Euler, a pioneering mathematician. Imagine you have a curve that you can't easily draw, but you want to know its shape. Euler's method helps by giving us a series of points on this curve, which, when connected, give us a good approximation of the curve. It's like connecting the dots to understand the bigger picture. To understand Euler's method, imagine you're on a path in the mountains, and you can only see a small part of the path ahead. To figure out where the path leads, you take a small step forward and see where you land. Then, from your new position, you take another small step, and so on. This is similar to how Euler's method works. We start with a point we know on a curve, take a small step following the curve's direction, and then repeat the process. Why is Euler's method important? In many areas of science and engineering, we encounter problems that are described by differential equations. However, these equations are often too complex to solve with standard methods. Euler's method provides a practical and straightforward way to find approximate solutions. It's a fundamental tool in fields like physics, biology, and economics, helping to model real-world phenomena. We hope this video has helped you understand the basics of Euler's method and its significance in various fields. Remember, Euler's method is all about taking small steps to explore complex curves and equations. It's a beautiful example of how simple ideas can help us understand complex problems. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find this knowledge useful in your journey of learning English and exploring new concepts.